Hi kids, how are you? Today we are learning the letter E. Today we are learning the letter E alphabet sounds. Here are the colors. I love the colors. Do you love? Yes, we also love the colors. These are colors. Green color, brown, dark brown, baby pink, blue, another brown, black and maroon. I love the color. Do you love? Yes, I love the colors. What is this? Do you know? Anybody tell me what is this? E, the capital E, the capital E. E, the small E, lower E. E for eagle. E for eagle. E for egg. E for egg. E for or. E for or. After the E, letter F. Letter F. Capital F and small f. Capital F, small f. F for fish. F for fish. F for fan. F for fan. F for sunflower. F for sunflower. G for goat. G for goat. G for glass. G for glass. G for gate. G for gate. G, after the G, the letter H. 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 H for hand. H for hand. H for horse. H for horse. H for hat. H for hat. Wow, great. We did another time, but this time we start the phonic sounds. Okay, we start the phonic sounds of these letters. Eh, eh, eagle. Eh, eagle. Eh, egg. Eh, egg. Eh, eye. Eh, eye. Fa, fish. Fa, fish. Fa, fan. Fa, fan. Fa, sunflower. Fa, sunflower. Ga, goat. Ga, goat. Ga, glass. Ga, glass. Ga, gate. Ga, gate. Ha, hand. Ha, horse. Ha, head. Green color.